Plantation Shutters London. Transform your home with Plantation Shutters. Beautiful, made to measure, built to last. Every shutter is crafted for your exact window for a perfect fit every time. Bay windows. No problem, our custom bay window shutters bring privacy, style, and effortless light control. Need something durable? Our waterproof bathroom shutters never warp, crack, or fade. Choose tier-on-tier for total flexibility, open the top for daylight, keep the bottom closed for privacy. And if your shutters need a little care, we offer a full repair service to keep them looking new. Enjoy better insulation, better privacy, better sleep. And a cleaner, more elegant look for your home. Beautiful shutters, expertly fitted. Ready to upgrade your home. Call today or visit our website to book your free consultation. Contact us today on 07480 824 336.